Welcome. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful practice. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift, the shoulders to soften. Today, we will explore leading with purpose. Regardless of your position, whether in an organization or a family, you are called on to lead at some point. The best leaders have a sense of clarity and purpose in how they engage with the world and in how they lead others. They connect with people in a very human level. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. Letting your attention rest on the breath. I'm now going to ask you a series of questions, but instead of thinking about the questions or coming up with responses, I want you to allow the questions to just sink in, like pebbles being dropped into a still pond. And I want you to be sensitive to any ripples that you notice. As a leader, what is most important to you? What are you aiming to achieve as a leader? As I ask these questions, just noticing the thoughts, feelings, and images that come to mind as you breathe in and as you breathe out. What are the values that guide you? What may be preventing you from living your values each day? Now, continue breathing in and breathing out. Bringing attention to your body. Noticing if the mind is wandering, or if it's attaching to any particular thoughts or feelings that arise. Now, imagine yourself leading with purpose. What does that feel like? And now, as we begin to re-emerge from this reflection, notice how you feel in body and mind. Finishing with a full, deep breath in and a long breath out.